Hi children, are you fine? Then okay, today we are going to learn second chapter fractions and decimals. Then first fractions. Then do you know what is fractions? You have already learned in our previous classes. Fractions, different type of fractions, and it's convert into different. Convert means improper convert into proper. Mixed and mixed convert into improper fractions. Then first, what is we can one more time revise this fact of these fractions. Then first, fraction means fraction is a part of a whole. Fraction is a part of a whole, means a fraction represents a part of a whole. Whole means whole. Whole may be single object or collection of object. Then for example, how to write fractions. Look, this circle. This circle divided into, look, 4 equal. Look how many parts? 4 equal parts. And I shade this portions, 3 portions shade here. Look, can you write this fractions of shaded portion? Can you write fractions of this shaded portion? How to write? Look, here look, first total how many portion? Total part is 4. First I draw it. Then dividing, this line is dividing line. Then below this dividing line I write total portion. Here total portion 1, 2, 3, 4 I write. Then next how many portion shaded here? Count 1, 2, 3. 3 portion shaded. So this shaded portion I write above this line. Is clear? This how to read? 3 upon 4. Then 3 upon 4. 3 is numerator and 4 is denominator. We know 3 numerator and 4 denominator. Is clear? Then another example. How to read this? 3 upon 4 or simply 3 by 4. Then next, the shape, rectangle shape. Then this rectangle shape divided into, look, how many parts? How many equal parts? 8 equal parts. Then shaded. How many portions shaded here? How many portions shaded? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 portions. Then look how to write its fraction form. How to write total? First count, write the whole, this whole portion divided into how many equal portions? This rectangle divided into how many equal portions? 8 equal portions. So this write below the dividing line. Then how many portions shaded here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 portions shaded. Then this we write above this dividing line. Then how to read this? 5 upon 8. 5 is numerator and 8 is denominator. Is it clear? Okay. The next types of fractions. Type of fractions. First, proper fraction. What is proper fraction? A fraction's numerator is less than denominator. That type of fraction is called proper fraction. A fraction's numerator is always less than its denominator. That type of fractions are called proper fraction. For example, 2 by 4, 3 by 5, 11 by 16, then 25 by 35. Look, its numerator and denominator, look, 2, 4, which is big, denominator big. Here look, 3, 5, 3 by 5, 5 is big. 11 by 16, 16 is big. 25 and 35 compare, then which one is big? 35. 35 means all denominators are big here. Is it clear? Proper fraction means its numerator is less than its denominator. Is it clear? The next, improper fraction. Improper fraction. Improper fraction is just opposite of proper fraction. Means its numerator is always bigger than its denominator. Then for example, look, 5 by 3 and 4 by 3. The next, 8 by 5, 25 by 11. Look, compare this numerator and denominator. Here which is big, here numerator is big. Look, 5 is big, 3 is small. Here 4 is big, 3 denominator is small. Here also numerator 8 is big. Here numerator big, denominator small. This also look, numerator big, denominator small. This type of fractions are called improper fraction. Is it clear? Then okay, next fraction, mixed fraction. Mixed what is mixed fraction? Mixed fraction means a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Combination of whole number and a proper fraction. For example, 6 2 by 3. 6 2 by 3. Which is the whole number? 6 is the whole number. 2 by 3 is the proper fraction. Then this type of fraction. So another example. Then 2 1 by 5. Here 2 is a whole number. Combination of whole number and proper fraction. Here 2 is a whole number and 1 by 5 is a proper fraction. This type of fractions are called mixed fraction. The next, a mixed fraction is given. We can convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Then for example, 6 2 by 3. This 6 2 by 3 convert into improper fraction. Then how to convert? Its formula, look, denominator multiply whole number. Whole number plus numerator by denominator. Look here, which is look at this mixed fraction. What is denominator? Here denominator 3. So 3, then multiply. Whole number here, which number? Whole number 6 is whole number. Then multiply 6. Then numerator plus numerator. Here numerator which number? 2. Then by which number? Denominator here which number? 3. Then find out. 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 2 20 by 3. Is it clear? Then next improper fraction is given, how to convert to mixed fraction. For example, 73 by 9. 73 divided by 73 by 9. Look which type of fraction is this? This is improper fraction. Improper fraction because its numerator is big and denominator is small. Then how to convert this improper into mixed? First look, this is numerator divided by denominator. Here numerator which number? 73. This 73 divided by denominator. Then how many 9 in 73? We know 8 9s are 72. Then 3 minus 2 1. 7 minus 7 0. Here look which is the quotient here. Quotient is 8 and this 9 is divisor and 1 is a remainder. Is it clear? 8 quotient and its remainder 1 and which number divisor here? Divisor is 9. Then you write it's a mixed fraction. Then mixed fraction we know combination of whole number and proper fraction. Here whole number, this quotient we write as whole number. We are quotient which number? 8. Is it clear? Then dividing line. Dividing lines, this remainder write as numerator. Here remainder 1. Remainder write as numerator and divisor we write as denominator. Here which is denominator? Here 9. Is it clear how to write mixed fraction? Then means improper fraction converting to mixed fraction. Is it clear? Then next like fraction. Like fractions. Then like fraction means fractions having same denominator. Means for example 2 by 8, 1 by 8, 3 by 8, 5 by 8, 7 by 8, 10 by 8. Look, its denominators. Its denominators are same. Look, 8 denominators same, but the numerators are different. This type of fractions are called like fractions. Is it clear? This type of denominators are called like fractions, and the next unlike fractions. Unlike fractions. Unlike fraction means its denominators are different. For example 2 by 3, 5 by 7, 1 by 8, 3 by 5. These are example of unlike fractions. Means look, its denominators are different, and this type of fractions are called unlike fractions. Then next addition and subtraction of fractions. Is it clear? Then okay, thank you. Then addition and subtraction next class.